In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in Affinity Designer. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can confidently align any text in your designs without guesswork. First, open Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the app is running and your project is visible on the canvas, take a second to notice the top of the screen. That's the context toolbar, and it will update based on what you've selected. Alignment controls for text live there, so it's the area we'll rely on. Next, click on the text you want to align. If you already have text in your document, select it either with the Move tool by clicking directly on the text object or with the Text tool by clicking inside the text. Affinity Designer has two common text types: artistic text, which is great for headlines and single lines, and frame text, which sits inside a text box and is ideal for paragraphs. Both can be aligned, but some options behave slightly differently depending on which type you're using. With the text selected, look to the top and click the alignment controls. You'll see the familiar paragraph alignment icons. If you don't see them right away, make sure the text is actually selected and not just the layer behind it. The toolbar updates only when the correct object is active. For horizontal alignment, choose left, center, or right. Left aligns your text to the left edge of its bounding box, which is the standard for body copy and multi-line paragraphs. Center makes headlines and short labels feel balanced, especially when they sit above an element or in the middle of a layout. Right alignment is useful when you want text to line up along the right edge of a column or when it needs to tuck neatly against a right-hand guide. As you switch among these, watch how the text lines reposition within the same box. It doesn't move the box itself, just the content inside. You can also align vertically as top, middle, or bottom. This is most noticeable with frame text, where the text sits inside a defined box. Top keeps the first line at the top edge of the frame, which is typical for paragraphs. Middle centers the block of text vertically within the frame, handy for badges or labels where symmetry matters. Bottom alignment anchors the last line to the bottom edge, great when you need text to rest on a baseline or align with other elements at the bottom. That's it. By selecting your text, clicking the alignment options at the top, and choosing horizontal or vertical alignment, you can precisely control how your text sits in your layout.